And we simply place it back here. And if you have a mat, floor mat, just put it away a little bit. So let's take a closer look. First, on the driver's side, it goes all the way up here under the weather seal and connects down here. And we see the Model Y branding here, and it goes all the way up here to this plastic. Hi there, and welcome to TechPlower, and welcome to my brand new Tesla Model Y. When you have a brand new car, you want to keep it as pristine as possible for as long as possible. And one thing that I'm a little bit worried about when going in and out of the car when it's raining and dirty, that the inner door sills will get really dirty and difficult to clean. And the carpet here can also get worn down. So I'm really happy that Tesery sent me a protection kit to put on the inner door lining. I actually have it in the box here. So let's open the box up and see what we got. So let's open the box up. Of course I have my trusty unboxing knife, and sorry about the dirty car, but it doesn't matter for installing the door sill protections. So let's remove some tape. We have some tape over here and here. So now we got all the tape, so let's check inside the box. So these are all in plastic bags, and these are really nice. And we have a few pieces. I'll show you. These ones probably go here in the rear, and I should have one other one. Yes. And then we should have 4 pieces in addition. Let's see. Here we have another one, and we have Model Y branding here. And let's speed through the unbagging of these protection panels. And lastly, we have the one for the front. So now I've unbagged all of these. So let's just install them. So let's start on the driver's side. And we use the long one on the driver's side, and the Model Y naming is facing us. And we have some Velcro on the back here that sticks to the carpet, and the other side simply goes under the rubber weather seal. So we have to make sure this part goes all the way back here. So we simply put it down here, and I have an all-weather mat here, maybe in the way. So like this, and it's going all the way back here and all the way down. So I think it's best to just lift up the weather seal a little bit and then put it back on top of the protection. I think that's the simplest way. So just lift it up all the way here and then simply put it back over here like this. And then it's going over the protection. And then we have a small plastic film on the Model Y logo here. And this one is in place. So let's go to the passenger behind the driver seat. So for the rear, it's in 2 pieces. We start with the one with the Model Y logo, and you can see on the back here that we have left marking here, so we know we are on the correct side. And we also have some Velcro on these ones. So we simply feed it down here. It's maybe difficult for you to see it. Going down here. It's a little bit tight. And this part goes up here to protect this part. So let's see. So this one is supposed to go on the upper part here, but I'm not seeing how this can fit, because we have the belt buckle coming down here, and this part is simply too wide to do that. So I will skip this part, but let's put the weather seal over this one. So we do the same here. We lift up the weather seal a little bit and put it over the protection. Let's do it like this. Hope you're seeing it. I'm just lifting the lip up on the weather seal to get the protection under, like this. And we probably have some plastic protection here as well, like this. Then you simply do the same on the right side for the rear and the passenger side. Now we're on the right side in the rear, and we have a similar piece here, just placing it the same way. Lifting up the weather seal. Hope you are seeing this. So, like this. And then removing the plastic film, like this. And it's the same on the right side. This piece is simply too big to fit because of the belt buckle that is in the way. So I will not be installing this part. And lastly, in the front for the passenger side, we have a similar piece as on the driver's side. Model Y lettering facing us. And we simply place it back here. And if you have a mat, floor mat, just put it away a little bit and make sure it goes all the way back here. And we have to put the weather seal on top. Let's just peel it up like this, and then it goes over like this. So these are the two methods to put the weather seal on top. Either you remove it or just peel it up like this, and I feel like it's quite easier to just pull it off and put it over. But you can peel it like this as well, going all the way to the top here like this, covering it and putting my floor mat down again like this, and of course lastly removing the plastic film here like this. Okay, I seem to have misunderstood this part a little bit. This is supposed to be here but not in the rear. So this one goes on the right side and goes up here, protecting the side here, and should go under the first one here. How are we gonna do this? I'm gonna peel back the weather seal and lift this one away a little bit. So this one goes under like this, and putting the weather seal back in its place. Now it's the right way. So now we have a protection from here and all the way up here. So let's do this like this on the driver's side as well. So lifting up the floor mat that I have here a little bit so it's not in the way. So this one goes in like this and like this. Let's lift this one up because it needs to go under. Like this, and this one over, and then I think I use the simpler way, just peeling up the weather seal all the way here, and then just put it back here. Okay, here the weather seal is back, so as on the passenger side, protecting it all the way here and up on this panel. So sorry for my misunderstanding for the rear. So let's take a closer look. First on the driver's side, it goes all the way up here under the weather seal and connects down here, and we see the Model Y branding here, and it goes all the way up here to this plastic. On the left passenger side, it's a little bit open here. It doesn't go flush with this one, but it goes under the weather seal and up to the carpet here. And of course we have the Model Y branding there. Here on the rear we have a similar setup. Goes up here under the weather seal and all the way here up to the plastic. And then in the front for the passenger side, it goes all the way up here to the plastic and with the Model Y branding and the weather seal going over it, and then this part that goes all the way up here, protecting the carpet on the passenger side. So this was the inner door sill protection kit from Tesery. And I feel like it's quite nice. And it's fitting very well here in the front, but the fit could be a little bit better in the rear. As you could see, it's not fitting all the way into the pillar back here. But it's almost there. And I feel like it's protecting the carpet on the inner door sill quite well. When you're walking in and out with your dirty shoes in the rain, in the winter grime, it will definitely be protected. And it's definitely easier to clean this than the carpet. If you want your own door protection kit like this, please head over to Tesery.com or go to the direct link in the video description. And before you check out, please remember to use my discount code TAGPLOWER and you will get some generous discount. And please let me know in the comments how you like it if you get the door protection kit. And if you like this video, please check out my other content on my channel and please consider subscribing because it really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.